Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. Unit 1, the Blender View Menu. The Blender view menu is nothing but it is a view menu the Blender which is used to view the 3D viewports which provides the various options for controlling the viewport display and in camera views. It accessed from the top bar of the 3D viewport. Viewport shading switch between the wireframe, solid, material preview and rendered views. View navigation frame selected numpad center the view of on the selected object. Frame all home key center the view on all objects in the scene. Camera views is numpad 0, switch to the active camera view. Align view to the active, align the 3D viewport to the active camera's view. Region option toggle display for various viewport regions. Example tool self sidebar. Next is viewport option toggle quad view. Split the viewport into 4 views, top, front, right and perspective. Toggle full screen area, controls for space, maximize the 3D viewport. In the screen we can see the navigation example tool. In the right side corner we can see the option with the shortcuts, that is orbit left means we need to use the number key 4, orbit right 6, up is 8, down is 2. Pan left is control plus 4, pan right is control plus 6, pan up is control plus 8 and pan down is control plus 2. Zoom in is plus and zoom out is minus. This is some of the option of navigation and also in the keyboard shortcuts. The properties window. The properties window is a crucial part in the Blender interface, provide detailed settings and options for the selected object, scene, world and more. Key sections. Render. Settings for rendering including resolution, sampling and output format. Choose render engine. Example cycles. Output specify output settings such as file format, output directory and animation setting. Scene. Manage scene level settings including units, gravity and frame rate. World. Adjust settings for the scene environment including background color, lighting and ambient occlusion. The object is nothing but the detailed properties of the selected object including transformation, visibility and custom properties. Modifier. Add and manage modifier that affects the object's geometry. Example subdivision surface boolean. Next is material. It is used to create and adjust a material assigned to the object including shader nodes and texture. Texture. It manages the texture used by material, brushes and modifier. Physics. Apply physics simulation like cloth, fluid and rigid body by the object. In the screen you can see the options with the render layer, scene, world, object, constraint, modifier, object data, material, texture, practicals and physics. These are the options which is used in the Blender for an object. Next is Blender window. The Blender interface is composed of multiple windows that can be customized to fit various workflow. Each window serves a specific purpose. In the screen we can see the Blender window with an options of transformation, scaling, rotating and also a full screen view, everything. The 3D viewport is a main window of a 3D skin interaction and object manipulation. Outliner is used to display a hierarchical view of all objects in scene, allowing for easy selection and organization. Properties is used for providing detailed settings for objects, material, render settings and more. The timeline is mostly used for animation, displaying keyframes and playback control. The shader editor is used in the node-based editor for creating and modifying material and textures. The UV image editor is used in the UV unwrapping and texture painting. Graph editor allows for a detailed animation curve editor. Next is a text editor. It is used to write and edit Python scripts directly within the Blender screen. Thank you.